Hello everyone and welcome to Basic Tutorials, and today we are going to learn how to sign up on Ghana for your passport application, the part 2 of the series on how to apply for a Ghanaian passport online. I did a first video about the requirement and other things you need to know about passport application, and I will link the video in the description and also in this video so that you can watch that video and understand the whole process so that you don't make mistakes. So today our focus is on how to sign up on Ghana Gov, how to set up your account so that you can proceed with the application. Alright, so but before that I want you to subscribe. If this is your first time on this channel, please hit the subscribe button and make sure you hit the notification bell so that when new videos are uploaded, it's going to be a series. I don't know the number, but it's going to have about 20 or 18 or 17 videos, short videos, so that when you subscribe and hit the notification bell whenever a video is uploaded, you will get to know and watch and get a full information about how to apply for a passport online in Ghana. So thank you for subscribing and hitting the notification bell. Now let's go straight to the lesson for today. So the first one we look at the time was the requirement. What you need, your birth certificate must be ready, and that's the most important thing. That actually it testifies that you are a Ghanaian. So your birth certificate will tell the Ministry of Foreign Affairs and Regional Integration, the passport office, that you are a Ghanaian and you are eligible for a passport. So you need your birth certificate. It should be ready. And let me add this: don't laminate your birth certificate. You don't laminate the birth certificate. You can get something and put it inside, but don't laminate it. If you laminate it, it will be rejected on the day of vetting. So make sure you don't laminate your birth certificate. Alright, so that was the first video. There are other information there. You can check the video down there and watch and get the full information. So today let's go straight to the video lesson, how to sign up. It's very simple, okay, very simple, and this is how you do it. You just go to online passport application. Just go to Google. Alright, go to Google and just type in online passport application. When you do that, what will happen, you will see things like online passport application. Let me do it here. Online passport application. Okay, so let's do it together. I'm doing it on my computer. Passport application. Alright, so type in, let's do it together so that you understand the whole thing about this. Okay, so you click on it. So you can just type online passport application. When you type it, you see online passport application, login, and other things. So this is your first time, you're not going to log in. Just click on online passport application, whether you're using Chrome or you're using Opera Mini or whatever browser you're using. Just type in online passport application. And when you type in, what they're going to do is you will see something like how to apply, existing user, log in here. So I know you're doing it on your phone, or you can do it on your phone or your computer. So you see something like how to apply, existing user, log in, new user, register here. So you are a new user, right? It's the first time you're applying. So what you do is that you click on new user. So let's do it together. New user, register here. So you click on that one. Okay, so what you see, I hope you are following. We are doing it practically so that you understand the whole thing. So what you see is, you see sign into Ghana Gov, sign up. You see log in with email, log in with phone number. So we are going to sign up. So on your top right corner side, you see sign up. So you click on sign up. When you click on sign up, what I'm going to see is, I'm going to see your first name, your other name, your last name. So if you're Kwabena Owusu, two names. Just the first is Kwabena, and the last name is also your surname. You don't have other name. If your names are 3 or 4, then you can have the other names here. But your first name should be there, the first name, and your last name, the surname. Alright? So you just put the names there. Make sure that you type it correct, okay? Because any error you make in this process, you're responsible for that. It's not a passport office. So make sure that you're doing the right thing, putting in the right figures and the right letters. Okay, so let's go. And the next thing you do is that you put in your phone number. So you see that if you see a Ghana flag there, you see +233 as the country code. You put your phone number there, and the next thing, your email address. Now let me talk about the email address. If your email address is not active, don't use it. Maybe you have forgotten the number, you have not been using it. Don't use it. Just go to Gmail and create a new account with your information. All right. And 2, sometimes people struggle with it and they put email there and they say it's invalid and they continue to try. No, if you put an email there, you can create as many email accounts you want. You can create. So if you put an email there and they say it is not correct, don't bother yourself putting that same email and try. Just go and create a new email. Come and use it and you are gone. So just do that and you are good to go. Put the email address there and your password. So just choose the password that you can remember. Okay, and when you do that, just click continue. So if you click continue, you're going to get an OTP code on your phone number, on your phone, the phone number you used. So it will send you an OTP to verify whether it is you yourself. Then you approve with the code they send to you. So you receive a Ghana Gov OTP code, some numbers, send you input the numbers and just follow the process. Then you are almost done. This is the most important thing. So when you do, just click on continue. You receive the OTP code, put it there, just copy and paste, put it there and follow the prompts and you are good to go. So this is how you sign up. So this is the second video, the requirement, how to sign up. So just sign up for all the things you need there: your first name, your other name, your last name, your phone number, and then email. And I want to add again the email. If the email keeps saying wrong, just create a new email, put it there, continue, receive your OTP from Ghana Gov, just copy and paste, approve and do all those things and get your account set up. In the next video we're going to look at how to buy the form online. Okay, so now we have our account set up. So in the next video we're talking about how to buy the form online. So this is paperless, this online. So you pay for the form online and we continue with the next video. So thank you for watching. If this video is useful or has been useful to you, the previous ones and these ones, just click on subscribe. Help me reach my first 1K subscribers. Thank you for doing that, and hit the notification bell so that when new videos are uploaded, you'll be notified to watch. Thank you for watching and remain blessed. Bye bye.